इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू Asma's kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I'm going to share a really yummy recipe of Vermicelli Kheer. Give this recipe a try and let me know your feedback. And for your assistance, there's recipe card in the end of the video. So watch this video till the end. Here are the ingredients you will need: milk 1.5 liter, vermicelli 1 cup broken, sugar 15 tablespoon, poppy seeds 2 teaspoon, sago 2 tablespoon, almonds 1/4 cup chopped, raisin 1/4 cup, green cardamom 6, pistachio 1/4 cup chopped. Now take milk in a pan, then add green cardamoms and sugar and mix it till sugar get completely dissolved into milk and bring it to boil. Now add sago and vermicelli and mix it and let it cook. Then after 15 minutes I am adding poppy seeds, raisin, almonds and pistachio and mix it and let it cook till sago get completely transparent. Now sago has got completely transparent, so it is ready and I am going to dish it out. Now I am garnishing it with raisin, almonds, and pistachio. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Subscribe to my channel Asma's Kitchen. Hit the like button and share this video and continue to watch my other videos and playlists. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching.